There are some places in this world, though that are far stranger, places that seem almost alien, as if they could only exist on a planet that evolved separately from our own. These are places that scientists have had to struggle just to understand how they ever could have been formed. Places that will truly make you wonder, not just because they are beautiful, but because they seem to follow scientific laws that don't exist anywhere else on Earth. Number 10. Mobile Cave. The cave was discovered by the workers looking to set up a power plant. The atmosphere of the cave is completely different from the Earth's atmosphere. The workers tested the ground to see if it is a safe place to build and cracked open a pathway that leads into one of the strangest places on earth. At the end of the tunnel, you enter a chamber with a lake of sulfuric water stinking of rotten eggs. The air is toxic, filled with hydrogen sulfide, and contaminated with 100 times the surface levels of carbon dioxide. The strangest part is, the researchers have found around 33 species inside the cave that don't exist anywhere outside of it. The species have adapted to survive in sulfuric atmosphere, living by feeding off a foam on top of the stones. Number 9. The Boiling River of Peru. A 4-mile river lies deep in the Amazon rainforest of Peru. The water of the river is so hot that it can boil any living creature alive. Although the river has boiling water, it is non-volcanic. Across its length, the water is heated at an average temperature of 196 Fahrenheit. If an animal steps into the river unwarily, the boiling water cooks it from inside out before it struggles to swim to safety. According to the scientists, the boiling hot water that heats up the river seeps through the fault lines on the Earth's crust, making the river a natural geothermal. Number 6. Devil's Kettle. Devil's Kettle in Minnesota is one enchanter. Located along the Lake Superior's north shore, the Brule River forms Over the Catatumbo River, there is a storm that never stops. Starting at 7 p.m. every night, lightning crashes over the water for 10 hours every night, 260 nights each year. Nobody knows for sure why it happens. Up until recently, the leading theory was that it had something to do with uranium in the bedrock, although the scientists are not sure about it. Today, the leading theory is a complicated one. It posits that the shape of the mountains causes warm trade winds to collide with the cold air from the Andes. This collision is then fueled by the rapidly evaporating water below and methane from a nearby oil field. Nobody actually knows for sure why it happens. Everything about is mysterious, including one moment in 2010 when it inexplicably stopped. One day, the storm just died down without explanation and seemed for a while to be over. But after 6 weeks of silence, it sparked up again and has been raging ever since. Number 3. The Blue Pond of Hokkaido, the Kool-Aid colored lake. Blue Pond. On the Japanese island of Hokkaido, there is a lake that's unlike any other in the world. The water is unique, electric shade of blue that shimmers and changes its shade when you look it from different angles. As the season change, the water changes color even more, shifting through the shades of blue and green. The lake was actually man-made. The locals set up a dam in the area and set up a reservoir where the water blocked by the dam could collect. To their surprise, though the water it collected changed color, scientists believed that the water's strange color comes from the aluminum hydroxide particles that have mingled in with it. This particle reflects blue light, making the reflection of the sky above from far more vivid than any body of water anywhere else on the earth. At Ponani Beach, Kerala. After the recent floods in Kerala, a sand strip splitting the sea into two has surfaced along the Ponani Beach, leaving its residents surprised. After the flood waters receded, a new island-like structure has surfaced along the beach. The sand strip, which is well known over half a kilometer long, is now attracting many tourists to the Ponnani beach. Though the authorities have warned that the sand strip could be washed away in case of high tide, the tourists continue to flock to catch